Do make half square triangles. Again, the tool measurement includes all the seam allowances, and I'm going to make 4-inch finished blocks, so I've set the guide at the 4 mark. I will tip this one upside down. Using the 18-inch ruler this time, loosen the screws, and again bring the black to the clear and the black to the clear underneath. Do the same at the other end. Black to clear, and come back to the first end just to check that measurement. Now I will cut strips of fabric on a 45-degree angle. We want the bias to be in the centre of the block. So I will line the 45-degree line with the edge of the fabric, just coming slightly over the edge of the start of the corner, and hold the guide down and cut the first strip of fabric. And I will just cut another 2 strips. As I showed you earlier, if your ruler is not long enough, you can just bring the guide into the edge of the fabric again and continue to cut along. I will now take a couple of these strips up to the sewing room and sew a scant 1/4 inch seam allowance down each side. The advantage of making half square triangles this way is the bias has been sewn when the fabric is in the strip. Therefore, I am not going to be stretching the bias after I have cut the triangle out, which can alter the shape of your triangle. So once I've sewn it, I will then, using my half square triangle, bring the guide to the edge of the fabric, again hold it down from the front. The first cut on this side, and the second cut the same as the 1/4 square, coming down. I have cut one. Bring the point again to the edge of the fabric, hold it down. That's my second set of triangles. The third one, and now I will just flip the fabric over and I will cut out the 4th triangle. Each of my triangles is the same size because of the way they are cut. I have a few stitches in the top to open out, and then I will just press the seam and have my finished 4-inch half square triangle. It's the quickest, easiest, most accurate method I know of making half square triangles, and the wastage of fabric is minimal. The only job I have left to do now is to take them to the ironing board, press them, and then trim off the dog ears.